So the thing I hate most about marking exams, and I'm saying this as someone who's just finished marking 4 sets of mock exams, is that point when you have a class and you think they're pretty smart, they're pretty good at science, they're going to do well, but then you're going through it and you're marking it and they're missing stuff out and they're making silly mistakes and they're misreading the question and it's all just a bit mid. And you go to total up at the end and they're getting maybe 50% and you're going, oh God, what went wrong? Did I not teach it very well? Did they not revise 50%? That's not that great. These kids are meant to be smart. But then you're looking at the grade boundaries and you're seeing that actually they're getting a grade 7. And if you're too old to know what a grade 7 is, it's what we used to call an A grade, right? It's a really good grade. They should be super proud of themselves. And these are smart kids and they're getting really low marks on these exams, but they are getting good grades. And why is that? Well, it's because the exam is too hard. And every year I'm like, why can the exam board not just write an easier exam with higher grade boundaries, right? And it's because in science we have tiers. So we have a foundation tier and a higher tier, and the higher tier starts at a grade 4. So you don't have any grade 1, 2, 3 questions. But what that means is that you have smart kids who are doing well in all their subjects, but they don't think they're doing well in science because they're walking out that exam going like, Miss, I left the back third of it blank. I had no idea what question 7 was about. I was totally guessing at the end. And you're like, okay, well, surely that's fine though, because they're still going to get the grade 7 on results day. But the problem is they don't have 1 exam in science. They have 6 exams in science. So that happens in the first exam. They walk out, they're crying, they're feeling rubbish about themselves, and they're not going to go and get ready for the next exam. They're not going to go and revise harder. They're going to go, okay, I'm not very good at science. I guess I'll just give up then. And I know that we need to have this bit at the top so that we can differentiate between the very best candidates, but tell me where in the world is there any university who is saying we need better than a grade 9 at GCSE? Because you know what? It doesn't exist. There is no sixth form that is saying you can only come and do A-level here if you've got better than a grade 9. Nobody needs for like 5 kids to have a piece of paper that says, yes, I'm the very best at GCSE chemistry in the country, especially not when it comes to the cost of the mental health of 500,000 other kids who are doing fine, but feel like they are doing poorly because they're getting 50% on an exam, which is still equating to a good grade.